In this video, we're going to add two numerical fractions together, 2/5 plus 3/4, and then we're going to use that idea, what we did here, in order to do this subtraction of algebraic fractions. So we've got 2/5 plus 3/4. Now normally we look for what's known as the lowest common denominator, which is usually the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4, which is 20. So we'll put our fractions out of 20. Put the plus sign in between. We write down the numerator 2. Now this 5 has been multiplied by a 4, therefore this 2 must be multiplied by a 4 in order not to change the meaning of the fraction. And then this 4 has been multiplied by 5 to get 20, so we need to do the same to the 3. 2 times 4 gives me 8. This is now a common denominator, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. 8 plus 15 gives me 23 over 20. This is an improper fraction, but we going to leave it like that, or we could write it as 1 3/20. Now let's take the algebraic fraction, which is 2 over x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 1. So the common denominator here was 5 times 4, which is 20, so we'd do a similar idea, but we don't actually multiply out the brackets, we just leave it as x plus 2 times x minus 1. And then we've got 2 here. We've multiplied the x plus 2 by x minus 1. So we must do the same for the 2. So the same idea as we've done up here. Minus, and then we've done a 3, and we multiply this x minus 1 by x plus 2. So we need to multiply the 3 by x plus 2. So now we expand the bracket, so we get 2 times x, which is 2x, 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. Be careful with the sign here, get minus 3x, and then a minus times a plus gives me a minus 6. Then we collect together the like terms, so we've got 2x minus 3x. So I write down the denominator first. Notice we haven't actually expanded the denominator, we never do that. So we've got 2x minus 3x, which is minus x, and then minus 2 minus 6, which is minus 8. Then there's a common factor of a minus sign here. We just take that out and put it at the front here. And then for the numerator, we write x plus 8. So we get a final answer of minus x plus 8 over x plus 2 times x minus 1. And we're just going to leave it like that for the time being. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to subtract two algebraic fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.